Hello everyone, welcome to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about the TikTok alternatives. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on to today's topic, what are the TikTok alternatives? As you know, TikTok is one of the very much popular application these days worldwide. Almost everyone are using TikTok. So in some countries it has been banned due to some reasons, but people are also finding ways by developing new applications that are similar to TikTok. Those applications are also similar to TikTok in ways like you can discover your talent, acting skills, or dancing. You can share your videos, adding effects, music on your videos and making them look awesome. So let's move forward and look into those applications. You can find those applications on Play Store. So the first application of TikTok alternative is Mitron. You can find it on TikTok. So this is the application. Mitron application is where you can discover your acting skills, short video editor, and is a video sharing community. In this application you can watch and enjoy the best short videos from people around the world that are connected to this app. You can also create your own video by using the music effects and share them and entertain yourself and your friends and followers. You can download this application freely from Play Store. So I hope you enjoy using this application, Mitron application. Next up for the TikTok alternative is the application Shingari over here. This is one of the Indian application made in India. It is a social application where you can chat, share, and make friends with the people from all corners of the world. You will also find lots of trending news, funny video clips, and many more entertaining things to do. You can also share your talent and be creative using this platform. This application is also available in multiple languages and very much user friendly. You can also play exciting games, earn coins, and win prizes. So definitely try out this application and enjoy using it. Share it with your friends as well. So you can download this application freely from Play Store. This is the original name of this application. You can tap on install button and download it in your device. Here comes another TikTok alternative app, Reposa. So this app is also an Indian application which is available in more than 10 Indian languages. It is a video creation and sharing application. You can share your videos and images with easy photo editing, video filters, stickers and GIS and effects. You can share those videos and help you get followers, likes and views instantly. You can also earn coins when you get your video featured on this application. You can definitely showcase your talent in here and become the rising star in this Reposa application. And you can also enjoy other users' viral videos in this application. You can download the Reposa application freely from Play Store. I hope you enjoy making your videos in this application as well. Thank you for watching our video till the end. These were the TikTok alternatives that are available on Play Store. I hope these were helpful to you guys and you will enjoy downloading and using these applications. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.